Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the watch has at least 20% battery and is paired to your phone. A low battery masks vibration behavior. Once confirmed, force restart the watch by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to clear temporary faults. Then open the watch settings and navigate to sound and vibration so you can see current modes and intensity. Do this now. It prepares the device state and brings the vibration controls onto screen for the next technical steps. Now, toggle vibration off and then on, testing 3 times to isolate software hiccups versus hardware failure. Make sure the watch firmware and its companion phone app are updated. Updates often include haptic driver fixes. If the watch has a diagnostics or haptics test in settings, run it. This directly exercises the vibration motor. Once done, note whether the motor responds and whether intensity settings change behavior, because that tells you if the motor or the control firmware needs deeper intervention. If diagnostics still show no vibration, back up your data and perform a factory reset, because corrupted settings can stop haptics. This often fixes software-caused silence. If a reset fails, the likely causes are a loose internal connector or a failed motor, so arrange service or replacement of the motor assembly. Finally, if problems persist, test with different watch faces and notification profiles to rule out app-specific silencing. If none of this works, contact authorized repair.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.